Live life better, live life luxurious with Raj Silverstone project at Badlapur East by Raj Developer. Welcome to our channel. Today we are taking you on an exclusive tour of Raj Silverstone, a luxurious residential project located near the McDonald's in Katrak, Badlapur East. So as we approach Raj Silverstone, you will be greeted by its impressive facade and modern architecture. Situated in the heart of Badlapur, this premium project by Raj Housing offers a lifestyle of unparalleled luxury and convenience. Step into the designer entrance lobby of Raj Silverstone, where luxury meets sophistication. The grand entrance set the tone for the lavish living experience that awaits within. Raj Silverstone offers tastefully designed 1 BHK and 2 BHK apartments equipped with distinct specifications and luxurious amenities from vertified floorings to granite kitchen platforms and deluxe bathroom fittings. No detail has been overlooked in ensuring the utmost comfort and style for the residents. Residents of Raj Silverstone can indulge in a range of amenities designed to enhance their lifestyle, whether it is working out in the gymnasium, enjoying indoor games, or strolling through the landscape garden. There is something for everyone here. Centrally located near McDonald's in Katrak, Badlapur, Raj Silverstone offers easy access to essential amenities such as shopping centers, institutions, and convenient roadways. With its prime location, residents can enjoy the best of city life without sacrificing tranquility. Talking more about the project, details, floor plans, configurations, specifications, but before that, if you have not subscribed to our channel DHC New Homes, then just subscribe to our channel for updates and informations about the new real estate projects in Mumbai, and like, share and comment on our videos. So here at Raj Silverstone, you will be getting a configuration of 1 and 2 BHK apartments with a 1 BHK carpet area starting from 377 square feet, and the prices of these apartments starts from 27 lakhs onwards. If we talk about a 2 BHK, then the square feet area starts from 493 square feet and the prices starts from 36.09 lakhs onwards. If we talk about the location of the project, then this project is situated in the heart of Badlapur with easy access to the significant landmarks, making a daily commute hassle-free for its residents. So here at Raj Silverstone, you will be getting also commercial units and car parking facility, grand entrance lobby, kitchen with a platform and sink, tiling in the bathroom with WC, telephone point, sanitary ware with branded ones, window doors with laminated ones, aluminum slidings and many more you will be getting. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to experience luxury, then contact our sales team and book a site visit today.